Okay, now student will discuss here. The question becomes like this: why does the demand for foreign exchange rise when its price falls? When its price falls means when exchange rate falls. Okay, so what we know, the exchange rate. We know about exchange rate means suppose $1 equals to rupees 70. Okay, that means one currency is when we convert one currency into another currency, that is exchange rate. Okay, that means exchange rate is what? Exchange rate is the nothing but the price of another currency. Exchange rate, what the exchange rate gives us, the exchange rate gives us the idea of the price of another currency. Okay, and that is why uh, it is mm, a statement is is given here that the price of foreign currency in terms of domestic currency. Okay, so exchange rate, what the exchange rate gives us, the exchange rate gives us the price of foreign currency, the price of foreign currency in terms of domestic currency, because domestic currency is rupees. Okay, domestic currency is our rupees, and if the domestic currency is rupees 70, then if the domestic currency is rupees 70 with respect to $1, then by giving rupees 70 we can purchase $1. Okay, suppose if $1 equals to rupees 50, then what is the price of the $1? The price of $1 will be rupees 70. So what is exchange rate? Exchange rate gives us the idea of price of foreign currency in terms of domestic currency. Okay, so when the price of foreign currency falls, when the price of foreign currency falls, like foreign currency falls means, suppose at first we purchase $1 by giving rupees 70. Okay, when the price of the price of foreign currency the price of foreign currency falls means when we purchase $1 by giving rupees 50. Okay, that is what? That is the price of foreign currency falls. When the price of foreign currency falls, at that time the demand for exchange should expand. That means at first we purchase $1 by giving rupees 70. Okay, when the price of dollar falls, when the price of dollar falls means when we purchase at first we purchase by giving rupees 70. When the price of dollar falls, that means exchange rate is rupees $1 equals to 50, then the demand of dollar will increase. The demand of dollar will increase. Why the demand of dollar will increase? Because the price of dollar falls. That means when the price of dollar falls, its demand of foreign the demand of foreign exchange will expand. That means increases. That means in this picture, when the exchange rate, suppose exchange rate is rupees, at first exchange rate is rupees 70. Suppose at first exchange rate, here the rate of exchange, at rate of exchange is suppose $1 equals to 70. At that time the demand, the quantity of foreign currency we purchase, this amount we purchase. Okay, when the price of exchange rate falls, that means when the price rupees 50, suppose rupees 50, when the price of exchange rate falls, at that time its demand will increase. Its demand, why its demand will increase? Because we can purchase more of dollar, because we can purchase more of dollar. So when the price of exchange rate falls, we can purchase more of demand, that means foreign currency. Okay, we can purchase more of foreign currency. Is it clear? And that is why the demand for exchange, the demand for exchange is always downward sloping. It is same as the law of demand, what we have studied in our microeconomics. Okay, what we have studied in our microeconomics, what we have studied, if price falls, then demand increase. Same thing is happens, same thing happens here. Same thing happens here. If price falls, demand increase. First at rupees 70 we purchase $1. When its price falls, that means when we purchase $1 with rupees 50, then we can purchase more of dollar. So at first exchange rate is 70, we purchase this amount of foreign exchange. When the exchange rate is rupees 70, that means $1 equals to 70. That time we purchase this amount of foreign exchange. When the price of exchange rate falls, that means when it comes to 50 per dollar, then we can purchase more. That means this amount of foreign exchange we will purchase. That means the demand for foreign exchange increases. That means the demand for foreign exchange increases when the exchange rate falls. The same thing happens in case of law of demand. In case of law of demand, when price falls, demand increases. Here price falls, demand increases, and that is why the foreign exchange demand curve is downward sloping. Okay, in the next video we'll discuss about why the supply of foreign exchange is upward rising. Okay.